Hello, my beautiful people, my fellow subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are making a simple but powerful one homemade hair oil using aloe vera and rosemary. This combo, this mixture is the magic for your hair growth, your hair shining, your hair prevent hair dryness, and it reduce dandruff. Let's start with what we need. We need fresh aloe vera leaves, a handful of fresh or dried rosemary. You can use what you have, but here I'm using fresh ones. You can have vegetable oil, any for your choice, coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, anyone you have. As you can see in the video on your screen, I started by soaking my aloe vera leaves overnight for removing the aloe, the toxic substance in that is yellow in aloe vera, which is not good, but you can't remove it. You can soak for 30 minutes, because if you are going to use your oil, your aloe vera on external part, but interior aloe is not good for our health. After removing, I washed them, but after remove the spines, the spines part for aloe vera leaves, and cut them into the smallest pieces. Here, if you don't have blender, you can cut them or you can grate them and put in the oil without blending. Also, you can have your oil without using a blender. After cutting, as you can see, I'm going to put my pieces into my blender and put my rosemary leaves, rosemary sprigs. I used the fresh one because I have it in my kitchen garden. And I'm going to put my oil, my coconut oil. I have used it for making body cream. Now I'm going to use sunflower oil. Any oil, any vegetable oil you have, you can use it. Or olive oil. My body, my hair doesn't work with olive oil. If I use olive oil, I get some allergic on my body, so I don't use olive oil so often. I use it, so don't use it on high. Here, after blending, I blending until I have a smooth paste for the best result, for gaining much ingredient in aloe vera. I have to remove all of them and get it into my oil. I put on medium heat. Don't put high heat, but if you can put low heat or medium heat, and mixed very often to have a good quality, a good oil, a high quality oil. You, after removing all water, you have to evaporate all water from your oil for best to have it for long term. This oil can use it for 1 month, between 3 weeks and 1 month, without any problem. As you can see here, there is only oil, the black one. If you use the ingredient without blending it, it can be dark. It is not dark like this one. After I strain it with metal sieves, but with medium hold. I don't use the smallest one because it can be long process. I use this one after I use the cloth sieve for better remove all oil without any spoilage. As you can see, this is the oil, normal oil, dark oil for your hair. The aloe vera, it's best for our head, our body. Is full of vitamins that nourish your scalp and help your hair to grow. And rosemary help your hair to grow and be thick and shining. The coconut oil, the olive oil, the sunflower oil help your hair to shine and prevent dryness in your hair. After, I'm going to use a cloth sieve for removing any residues or have a clear, smooth oil without any residues. How you can going to tell you how you can use this oil. You have to massage your scalp 2-3 times with it in a week. Here we are going to put on lemon oil for perfume. This oil have a good perfume. I use it for my oil to have good odor. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your like, your subscribe. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you have found this helpful, and share it with someone who needs hair care level. The one with hair problem, you have someone with hair problem. See you in the next video. Let's comment, and if you have tried this one and helped you, comment and tell others. Bye bye.